Looking to ditch toxic chemicals when you wash your dishes? Well, AspenClean has the answer. Step 1. Scrape off excess food. Step 2. Fill the pot with water. Add a few pumps of AspenClean dish soap. It's not too foamy, but it works. Let your dishes soak. Step 3. Scrub the pot using the scour pad. Add some Super Scrub scouring powder. Scrub a little more. Step 4. Rinse off suds and residue. Step 5. Towel or air dry. Using a dishwasher? No problem. The AspenClean dishwasher detergent pods are natural and unscented. They cut through grease and will remove stuck-on crumbs, leaving no smell. Natural dishwashing has never been easier with AspenClean.